welcome to Prudent News. We wish all our viewers a happy and prosperous Diwali. And now a look at the headlines. Diwali Festival of Lights celebrated across the state. Rangolis, Puja, decorations and sweets make the festival blissful. It's a festival of good over evil. Goof up in seniority list of armed police constables. Manipulation by senior officer Vishram Borkar. Names of constables prioritized in the list by jumping numbers. A Prudent exclusive. National power grid trips at Kolhapur due to high voltage. Half of Goa remains in darkness for 2 hours. Government resumes power just before Lakshmi Pujan. New York Times confirms entry of Playboy Club in Goa, but the club is still unsure about the costumes that the bunnies will wear. And 5-year-olds can start learning fencing, says NIS fencing coach Mohit Ashwini. Good response from teachers for fencing course. Now the news in detail. Diwali is celebrated in Goa with a lot of enthusiasm. Diwali is the festival of light and brightness. Families celebrated Diwali by burning crackers and distributing sweets. It is believed that the goddess of good luck visits homes that are brightly lit. Children make diyas and bring good luck goddess into their homes. Different delicacies are also prepared on Diwali. Blessings are sought from elders for a bright year ahead. Prudent wishes all our viewers a bright and prosperous Diwali.
खूप आभारी आता तसेच श्रीनिवास जेंपे आणि
Seniority list of 1st India Reserve Battalion in Goa has raised many questions. List with Prudent clearly shows manipulation by commandant officer while ranking seniority of constables. And the senior officer who has made this serious goof up is Superintendent of Police Vishram Borkar. He prioritized names of some constables by jumping numbers and order.
In the year 2006, Goa's 1st Battalion force was constituted. It had 620 armed police trained in 6 companies. Now the office of the 1st IRB at Altin has released a tentative seniority list of 555 armed constables. The procedure: first buckle number gets first priority. Constable belonging to ST and OBC gets priority at senior post. Prudent Media got access to the tentative seniority list of constables. Here, have a look. Normal procedure has been followed up to buckle number 3. At serial number 4, buckle number 514 constable is listed as senior and not buckle number 4. Why? Interestingly, such kind of manipulation continues through the list. Names of specific candidates are included in the list by violating order of the buckle numbers. And the officer who has done this manipulation is Vishram Borkar. When Prudent reporter Mahesh Gadi contacted Borkar for clarification, he got upset, frustrated and irritated. He lost his cool, he threatened our reporter. This is how he reacted. The manipulator Vishram Borkar: "Who are you? Why do you want it? I am not supposed to tell you all this. I have followed all the procedures. This is an administrative decision. Do not interfere in the matter." This list has raised many questions in the department itself. Questions to the police. From the first batch of 620 constables, why does the seniority list contain only 555 names? What about the remaining constables? Why are their names excluded? Why is numeric order not followed through the list? Why does Vishram Borkar lose his cool when he is questioned on this matter? Is this an exercise to promote some of Borkar's favourites by violating procedure? The IRB constables have not been confirmed even after 6 years of their service. Their file is still pending with the Home Department. Despite Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar taking charge of the Home Ministry, this manipulation reflects badly on the officers, Police Department and the administration. Our reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
North Goa remained in total darkness for 2 hours on Diwali evening. 400 kV line of national power grid failed due to high voltage and supply from Kolhapur to Kolwale got disrupted. The supply was resumed just before Lakshmi Pujan. However, some people performed the Pujan in darkness after waiting for power supply for a long time. PWD has informed that there will be restricted water supply in Pedne, Bicholi, Baddes and Satari due to this power failure.
प्रत्येक खेपाक जेन्ना रिलीजियस हे आसता तेन्ना सगळी इंडस्ट्री बंद आसता त्यामुळे दे हॅव टू मॉनिटर द सिच्युएशन नाल्यार दर खेपा दसऱ्याकूय जालें आतां दिवाळेकूय जालें ओवर वोल्टेज ट्रीप तो कोल्हापुराक इट डजंट लूक गूड न्ही दिवाळे दिसा लायट ना हें हांव उलयलां हांचे कडेन की फुडल्या फावटी कितें जाता म्हाका जाता तांचो लोड डिस्पॅच बी कंट्रोल सेंटर आसता थंयचे लोक लिवेर वतात दे हॅव टू पूट समवन ऑन द जॉब हांव मॉनिटर करूंक लायला हांकां फुडल्या फावट हांव आय विल सी दॅट सिनियर पर्सन रिमेन्स देर कारण सादें आयज सुद्दां गोंयांत सगळी फॅक्टऱ्यो बंद आहा त्यामुळे गोंयचो डिमांड लेस दॅन 100 मेगावॅट आहा त्यामुळे लायट चड येता पळय त्यामुळे वोल्टेज वाडटा दॅट इज अ प्रॉब्लेम तो रेगुलर प्रॉब्लेम न्ही तो एनी रिलिजियस हाका जातात ते दिवाळी दसरो गुढीपाडवा हे जातलेच ते दे हॅव टू रेगुलेट इट बेटर उलयलां हांव तांचे कडेन
वस्तीक आज लक्ष्मी पुजन लोकांचो मातसो विरोध जालो आसतलो असोच विरोध दसऱ्या दिसा पण जाल्लो पण तरी सरकारान प्रयत्न करून वीज पुरवण व्यवस्थीत केली तेन्नाय आनी आतांय बेगिनांतल्या बेगीन वीज पुरवण जातली कोल्हापूरच्यान जी ताची ट्रीप जाली कोलार लागसर 400 किलोवॅट जो पॉवर जो प्लांटेड लायन येता त्यातून थोडीशी ट्रीप जाली.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.